welcome back to my channel. Today I'm pretty much here to share with you guys some affordable YouTube equipment that I have. Before I start this video, I would like to say that you do not need an expensive camera to start a channel and all of that stuff. Definitely just use what you have. Use your cell phone. When I started on YouTube, I was using my tablet, like my Samsung tablet. I used my iPhone SE or 5C. I used my iPhone SE. Then I upgraded to an 8 Plus, and my 8 Plus is basically where I started my journey on good quality. Let me turn off my hard drive. It's so loud. Yeah. So my 8 Plus is pretty much where I started like my journey on good quality. It's using filming on HD, flipping my camera this way, and using a mini tripod that I got from Amazon for like 10 bucks. So you really don't need very expensive equipment to make YouTube a career or something you're really passionate about. And today I'm just pretty much here to share with you guys some products that I invested in over the past few months to make my quality better, as you guys can kind of see. So I want to start with my camera. So I have a Canon Rebel T6i camera, and I got the bundle from Best Buy for $599.99 on sale. And this came with my zoom lens. I think the zoom lens is 18 to 55 millimeters. I'm not 100% sure, but it is the lens that does come with the camera. Yeah, so this is an 18 to 55 millimeter lens that comes with the camera in the bundle. The good thing with DSLR cameras is that, or even a mirror lens camera, is that the lenses are interchangeable. So even if your camera is like a T5i or a T4i, all you really need to do is pop on a good lens on there and it ups your quality by 1,000%. I like the zoom lens because, you know, you can manually zoom in and out on your camera and stuff like that, compared to my other lens that I will be speaking about later on in this video. But I pretty much use this camera to film my YouTube videos. I use it to take my pictures for Instagram. I pretty much use it as like an all-purpose camera. And I also use my cell phone to take pictures as well. But if you are really looking to up your game on YouTube, I would say the most affordable DSLR camera, in my opinion, that has really good quality and doesn't have any glitches or any battery life issues is the Rebel series. And as I said, I have the T6i camera, and you can buy them on Amazon. You can buy them used on Kijiji. Definitely check out pawn stores and stuff like that before you guys go spending $600 on a camera. Yes, you don't have that flexibility of buying in-store warranty and it being a brand new camera and all of that stuff, but girl or boy or sis or bro, save some coins, okay? Go on Facebook Market, go on Kijiji, go to a pawn shop, like, save some money. It's that time of year, okay? Push that extra change in your back pocket. This is pretty much the camera that I've been using on my channel as of late. I love it. It's 10 out of 10. I now have my second lens, which I'm using on this camera, and I am in love. I just love this camera. Yes, it's big because it's a DSLR camera. It's not a little point-and-shoot camera, but for what it's worth, definitely, eventually, when you think that you can become something on here, invest in a good camera. Yeah, I really love it. Even if it's not something you're just going to use for YouTube, and photography is your passion, and creating content and stuff like that is a passion, definitely this camera is like, it's good. The next thing I'm going to move into is another camera. So I actually decided to start dropping vlogs every now and then on YouTube, just on the weekends, some weekends if I'm doing something really exciting. And my cell phone is a 64 gig, and as much as I would love to use this for vlogging, I'm conceited. I have so many pictures of myself on my phone that I just don't want to delete, and I'm scared if I put it on a hard drive it's just going to disappear, so I just never take pictures off my phone. And I have apps and my music and stuff take up space. So I decided to get a vlogging camera. Yes, it's not your freaking Canon G7X. It's not a G7X, but this camera has had good reviews based on me doing my research on YouTube. Definitely watch YouTube videos and check out the quality of the cameras before you buy them. I didn't buy this camera brand new. I bought this at the pawn shop for $49.99. It came with the battery and it came with the charger. No scratches, no dents, no dings, good condition, and you get like a 30-day warranty at the pawn shop. This is a Powershot ELPH. This is a Powershot ELPH 340HS, and it's also Wi-Fi compatibility. Has Wi-Fi compatibility, and you can send the footage or pictures and stuff from your camera to your computer or whatever Canon app that you have. And this actually retails for about $190 to a little bit over $250 in store brand new. And I picked this camera up for $50 at the pawn shop. And if you're trying to save money, this is definitely what it is. The quality is great. It works fine. Yes, it doesn't have a flip up, lens or whatever. I just kind of just have to do this when I'm vlogging, but honestly, for what it's worth, the quality is amazing. Autofocus is amazing. The HD quality after uploading is really good, and I'm just really happy with this purchase. Definitely from here on out, I will be buying any type of like electronics that I want to experiment with from the pawn shop, because I saved some coin going there, and I don't know what made me decide to go there, but I'm just like, there's a pawn shop, let me go see if they have electronics. And it just happened that they had the exact same camera that I was looking for, and I saved hundreds of dollars. So yeah, get you a little Powershot camera if you want to vlog. The next thing I think I want to talk about is my shotgun microphone. So I know everybody was getting like the Rode shotgun, and on Amazon the Rode retails for $120, $130, and I again did my research on YouTube and I came across the Takstar microphone, and it's hard to get like a really good review that you're kind of just like, okay, like, is this it or is it not? So I pretty much just took my chances. I compared the comments on Amazon itself. They both have the same ratings, 4 out of 5 stars. And in my opinion, there was a lot more comments on the Takstar microphone compared to the Rode, and I think that's because it is so cheap. Like, it's not cheap as in quality, but cheap as in price. I got mine for $47.99, and now it's retailing for $47.14 on Amazon Canada, which is probably a lot cheaper in the States. Probably retails between $25 and $30 US dollars. I love this microphone. I don't even want to unplug it right now to compare the quality of this microphone compared to the microphone on the Canon. But now that I do have a shotgun microphone, I'm able to go back and look and watch my older videos when I first got this camera, and the audio on this microphone is amazing. As you guys know, my little brother is loud, but the fact that I can hear him clear through my microphone and he's out in the living room, you know it's doing what it's supposed to do. It has a whole bunch of settings. See what I mean? It has a whole bunch of settings on it that I don't really understand, like what they're supposed to do, because the instructions weren't that clear. But for what it is, it's nice. I can actually like show you guys what it looks like sitting on my camera. So this is what the microphone looks like sitting on top of my camera. It's very like, hi guys. It's very, it's like a good size. I don't know, like, it's amazing. I don't even know what to say. The quality is really good. For the price, it's amazing. So if you're definitely looking for like an affordable shotgun microphone, I would definitely recommend the Takstar microphone on Amazon for a very cheap price. The next item that I'm going to talk about is my 50mm lens that is attached to my camera right now. I am obsessed. I am in love. This is mainly a portrait lens for pictures, but for video, like, the quality is amazing. It does the blurring in the background, as you guys can see. Like, it just blurs everything out really nice. It makes your skin look good. Your pictures come out like real good. And I just really love this lens. It's clear. The autofocus over the years have definitely gotten a lot better, and it's silent. When they first came out, a lot of people were saying the autofocus was very noisy, but I haven't had any issues with that. The autofocus is very, like, quiet. It's clear. Like, it focuses pretty fast. Let's see. Like, look at that. Like, nothing. I'm still here, sis. Like I'm still here. But yeah, I really love this lens, and this lens retails on Amazon for $134.99. I believe that's what I picked it up for, and it's pretty cheap. You can also go to Henry's, the camera store in Canada, and sometimes they'll have them, like, refurbished. But even refurbished on Amazon, it is 100% cheaper. Again, in my opinion. The next item, and probably the last item that I'll be speaking about, is my ring light. My ring light. I have been going back and forth on purchasing a set from Neewer, but then I've heard, like, horror stories of the lights coming broken, and I just didn't want to deal with that. And I know, like, it's a lot more expensive, meaning maybe better quality, but I'm cheap. I'm going to show you guys the ring light that I have right now. This is my ring light from AliExpress, okay? I got this ring light from AliExpress. It came with a small tripod that extends into one that's about full size that I'm using for filming right now, and I broke it, but I went ahead on Amazon and bought one for like 20 bucks, and that's what it's sitting on right now. Yeah, this ring light was $23.99. You're able to dim it. You're able to change the lighting. So this is like the white light. This is more like the warm, natural, you know, light. Brings out a lot of the warmness in the skin. And this is like between the two. So white and yellow kind of thing. But I like pure white. But yeah, for filming at night, I like the pure white light. I really love this ring light, guys. It's like amazing, and it's super cheap. It came in like 2 weeks from China, and I'm just like, yes, for that price I will wait. Okay, I will wait. But I think that's pretty much it. The only other advice that I can really give is, like, if you're buying like memory cards and that stuff, definitely check Amazon before buying it in store. I got a 64 gig for 50 bucks, and then in Best Buy, and then I ended up getting a 128 gigabyte memory stick for 30 bucks on Amazon. So shop around, be smart about your spending. Don't think you have to dive into all these products all at once. I took my time, legit. I saved my money for this camera. I saved my money for this equipment. The most expensive thing that I bought after this camera was just my lens. Everything else was literally under 60 bucks, as I explained to you guys here. Besides, like, yeah, everything was under 60 bucks. The memory stick, the microphone, the ring light, and then the lens was the only thing that was over $100. But nothing more than $150. Can't go, you know, you can't beat that. As I said, do your research. Make sure you know, as I said, do your research. Don't listen to everybody. You may not even want to listen to me. You might want to do your own thing and buy hella expensive equipment. But I'm letting you know, if you can go to the pawn shop and get a camera for 50 bucks, that's $200 in store. You tell me what I'm doing wrong. Okay? So that's pretty much it for this video. I just thought I would make a follow-up video to my affordable YouTube equipment part series. I don't know, but I hope this was helpful. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.